Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you will be good. My name is Kalpana and I am going to tell a very interesting and inspiring story. And this story is about tolerance. Tolerance is a great virtue. And I think everyone should develop this virtue within yourself because you can avoid many difficulties to have this virtue. So, and this incident is associated with the life of Socrates, who was a great scholar and philosopher. Please watch this video till the end. I am sure this video would be helpful to improve your speaking. And please like, subscribe and share. Without any delay, let's begin. Socrates was a great philosopher and scholar. He was highly respected figure amongst the Greeks. But his wife was prone to quick temper. She was continuous and argumentative. Nagging had become her second nature. She would criticize him if he was sitting quiet. She would criticize him if he was studying a book. She said the book should be tossed. You are obsessed with it whole day. If you were to spend your life with books, why did you marry? One day, Socrates came to his home accompanied by some of his disciples and admirers. She threw her tantrums. They took it ill, but Socrates was as unperturbed as ever. And his quietness further incensed her. She began to shout at him more loudly. But it also cut no ice. Socrates, who sat peacefully. At this, she flew into rage. And she brought a bucket of water. Emptied on his head. And Socrates gently laughed and said, the clouds were thundering and the rain was expected. But it has rained now. Socrates tried to laugh incident away, but one of his disciples could not restrain himself and he cried, she is a strange woman. She is a strange woman and not worthy of you, sir. Socrates said, no, she is worthy only for me. She often hits me if I am sound. Her hitting afforded an opportunity to test my tolerance. Hearing this, his wife was moved, and a few tears trickled down in her cheeks. She touched his feet and saying, you are an angel. She was slow to recognize you. So guys, this is the greatness of tolerance. And patience and tolerance is a patience and tolerance are great virtue. So, did you like the story? Please tell me in comment box. And if you want to know its Hindi explanation, I have already pinned the link in description box. Thanks for watching.